light it's going to be.
Just lost a little weight getting out of it then.
Yeah.
Easiest engine removal ever. Welcome to the channel. Today we are at Mallory Park. We're just at DTB Motorsport. So we're going to be checking out Ben's BMW 1 Series that he's building into a race car to compete in the Classic Sports Car Championship, well, this year. So he's not got long to build it. He's got a couple of months to get it finished. We'll see in a minute the state it's in. He bought it as a unrecorded accident damage vehicle. So now he's stripping it all down. The cage is going in soon. So basically today we're just getting it ready for the cage, taking all the windows out so that we can get polycarbonate windows made. So yeah, let's go check it out. Ben, it's not quite a 3 litre turbo, is it?
Not quite.
Can you make the noise of a 3 litre turbo?
No, not really. I'm used to V8s all the time.
Oh.
It's okay, I'm practicing. Come on.
You ain't going to drive it from that position.
Oh, look how light it's going to be. Ah. 450 horsepower per choice. Kids and the toys.
It's just got 1 human horsepower at there. You just lost a load of weight getting out of it then.
Yeah.
Easiest engine removal ever. Yeah?
But resetting it with the perspex, how difficult do you think that's going to be?
Well, did you not glue the other ones in, or can you not rivet them in?
We riveted the other ones in.
Yeah, just rivet it
We
in.
didn't have, we kept it glass in the holder.
The plastic ones we did.
I thought you were putting...
the rear glass bit we left. It's a glass for the holder. So,
I thought you were putting vents in there.
that's the plan. Let me know if the knife comes through. Has it gone through?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that was easy.
Just bit pressure there, so careful.
There's a little tab there, locating tab, so you're not going to be able to cut through that.
Okay.
So how many of these did you smash last time, Ben?
Yeah, nice. I like that. 1 and 1 only.
1?
Yeah.
I'm just filming just in case it does, for some reason, break. That'd make it brilliant, wouldn't it?
The suspense.
As if by magic.
There you go. Right, that's it. That's where the new GT scoops go.
Will we be as lucky with number 2?
Yeah.
You know what you're doing now, don't you?
Yeah. Done one, so do two things. We either make a template or we risk it.
Yeah, I'd make a template.
Whisk off.
So yeah, we're just contemplating what to do with the rear window, just in case we break it when we get it out. Because Ben needs the window as a template for the people who are making his polycarbonate windows to go off. But obviously, if it breaks when we're taking it out, which it probably will, we're in shit. Yeah, let's be sensible. Let's think about it.